In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a hashtag on Instagram. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing to go ahead and do is come over to Instagram. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do once you come over to Instagram is click on the plus sign in the top right corner to go ahead and create a post. So once you're going ahead and pick your photo or video you want to go ahead and upload, what you can do is go ahead and add a filter if you want. But if you don't want to do that, what you need to go ahead and do next is click on the next arrow right there in the top right corner. And then once you've done that, what you need to go ahead and do next is go ahead and write a caption if you want to do that. But if not, go ahead now and create your hashtag. So I'm going to go ahead and put hashtag 2-minute tutorials YouTube, just for an example for this YouTube video. And once I've done that, what I need to go ahead and do is click on this little tick there in the top right corner to go ahead and post my post. And then once I've done that, go over to my profile. And then once it's loaded up, as you can see, I've gone ahead and posted a new post. Click on that. And then go ahead now and click on the hashtag that you've just created. And then as you can see, there is fewer than 100 posts. This is a new hashtag I've just created right now. So you can go ahead and you can see all the posts for this hashtag. Or you can go ahead and follow this hashtag for updates on future posts that do get posted on this hashtag. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.